Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much if you are coming back. I really do appreciate it. Today we are going out to Envision, which I'm super excited for. This place is always so packed every single time that we go. We'll see you out there. At Envision today, and one of the things that Envision is actually known for is their crazy wraps and stuff like this all down the truck. It's pretty rocky, so I can't really walk, but it looks really cool. And then all those up there say KC. I'm not quite sure what that is, but still really dope. And then as you come around the front, the symbol is their colors, and so is this great. One of the happiest looking cars besides Miatas is a Lotus. And then right besides the Lotus are two Mclarens, back to back. The other McLaren just left, which is fine, but this is a 720S right there. Super cool. Carbon fiber. I wish they rolled their windows down so that we could get an inside, but that's okay nonetheless. And then right next to the ZL1, we also have a Type R. I'm not 100% sure, but this is probably another wrap from Envision. They do a really good job. There's another R8 that has a bunch of Easter eggs in it, and I've had it on my channel before. I'll have a link to that video below. It's in a few of my videos, but they also wrapped that one, so they're pretty good at wraps. South Valley photo. Just trying to be as good as them, honestly. They're super cool. Another Lotus. There's Traffic Heavy again. Seen him kind of a lot in the last video. Another AMG. That might be the one that went by earlier. Not 100%. And that is a true Viper. I know in one of my videos I said a RX-7 was a Viper, but that is a Viper. Let me into his Ferrari. So freaking cool. I had to move the seat back so I could even get in because my legs are way too long. But oh my god, I can't believe he let me sit here. So cool. So we were about to leave and we just found a twin turbo Mustang. Let you see. So there's the two turbos. It's even got the Hoosiers on, so you know it's fast. Then we got a super low RS. And then one of my favorite wraps. This thing is so cool in person. It's like a rose gold. I'm not sure if you can quite see it. So cool. Such a good build. And then of course, you gotta get that Pikachu, come on. Super slow. All right, so we just got back to the car and had a really good time. I got a few really good pictures of some stuff. There were quite a few R8s, V10s of course, and then there were quite a few Corvettes today. There were a few Mclarens and then a really cool NASA car. And then there was a Ferrari that I actually got to sit in, that was in the garage, and as well as a race car. So that was pretty cool. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe and like the video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.